Kyle Thomas with Tomahawk Attachments, Napney, Indiana, and today I have here our 66-inch solid bottom one-cylinder bucket grapple. This bucket is 66 inches wide by 37 inches deep and 27 inches tall. It weighs 445 pounds. This bucket features a rolled rear bottom for easy clean out and added strength. It features a 10 gauge wrap, and it has a 6-inch wide by 1/2 inch thick welded cutting edge. The top clamp is made out of all 3/8 material, and it has a 2500 PSI cylinder on top with a cylinder cover for protection. All of our attachments are powder coated black and built with the highest quality. Come see us today at 1952 West Market Street, Napney, Indiana. Our retail store is open from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also order online at tomahawkattachments.com. We offer free shipping on our attachments to the lower 48 states.